Okay, so this is the other way that you can search for EBP research in PubMed, just using their general search interface. So we're going to start very broad, but if I am just searching physical therapy, I do search, it's going to bring back all the articles that reference physical therapy, which is a lot. It's over 300,000 results. So again, the way to narrow my pool is by using that Boolean operator and. And so if I do and let's say that I'm interested in dance. So it's a specific, maybe like subset of potential therapy. So if I do search, so now that reduces it. So it went from over 300,000 to just over 1,000 search results. So these are just looking at my two search terms. It's not looking at anything else. So a way that I can filter it for that EBP is I can look at specific kinds of publication types. So how to do that in the general PubMed interface is if you scroll down, and on the left side, you're going to see these various filters. So it's results by year, text availability, and then article type. And so these article types, I believe, are just kind of the general set standard ones. If there's additional ones that you want to add, it's underneath this additional filters. So if you click additional filters, here at the top is article type. You can add these different kinds of article types to filter for. So if I scroll through, I'm looking at these, and then let's say I want to add guideline. So if I click guideline, show, so now that's going to show here in my article type list. And you can do that for all of these various other filters as well. So if I click this randomized controlled trial, so what it's going to do is take my search term, it's going to add this additional filter. And so I went from over 1,000 results to 159 results. So these are all of the articles in PubMed that reference physical therapy and dance and are considered a randomized controlled trial. So the difference between this and what you're going to see in the clinical queries is searching that publication type, but it is also looking at some additional search filters. So it is looking at, it's maybe adding in some additional search terms. For example, in that diagnosis category, they're adding in words related to diagnosis. And then same thing for when they were looking at the guideline category and the prognosis category. So it really kind of depends on your topic and what's going to be the best fit. Sometimes if you have a very specific topic, using just this search interface with the publication type filters is going to be enough. It's going to be a small enough pool of articles to kind of work through to figure out what's going to work for you and what isn't. If you're dealing with maybe a broader topic, then you might want to use the clinical queries because it's going to do some of that additional searching in the background for you.